I'm Nikita Bajaj Pathak, founder partner at Design 21. As an architect, I've had the pleasure of working with many vendors. Some vendors have actually delivered the right quality and innovation that our clients and we expect. Kushe 7 is definitely one of them. SS304 is a very common material but rarely used in kitchen. Unfortunately, most of the materials these days used are either wood or a composite of wood and plastic in kitchens. But stainless steel is a non-corrosive material and there is no water damage at all in the kitchens. These kitchens can run for more than 25 years and stainless steel doesn't corrode at all, and using this material in your kitchen is only going to increase the longevity. Extremely easy to clean, best for kitchens that have high traffic and are used throughout the day. Kushe 7 has managed to deliver all their kitchens on time. I have personally experienced this. Their showroom is in MG Road. One can any day go and visit the setup. They have a beautiful curved kitchen setup and an island which is, it's so precisely made. You'll go there and you would want to have that kitchen in your house as well. Another factor that a client looks for in kitchens, and we, day in and day out talk about it with our clients, is after services. Kushe 7 manages to give that after service without any hesitation. In fact, they have a program in which after every 6 months, they send their executives to visit the kitchen even without the client asking them to visit. They visit the kitchen and check the quality and the status, and that makes a lot of difference. Most of these kitchen materials that you see these days in kitchens, they're either wood or a form of WPC, which is like a wood composite. They don't have a long life, and they also don't have a recyclable, quality to them. While SS304 that Kushe 7 uses, you can actually resell it as well. That's a joke that we always make in office, but that's the truth. The material is so hardy and so durable that you can reuse it after 25 years as well. I'll definitely recommend Kushe 7 to my clients. I've had a great experience previously and I'm looking forward to many more. I don't think there's any turning back.